And in this video, I'm going to be covering the header widget to add the widget to your page. Now, let me show you what I've done actually first. We've got a different color background on this block. You can't see it quite there. It's under this header thing. It's actually called a block. In the block, I've actually created one column, and I've put a box around the column so you can actually see where I'm dragging the content. This is a margin at the top. This is the margin at the bottom, but this is where we're going to be dragging our widget for the first time. So we click on the plus in a circle sign with add widget. We click and hold on the heading and we drag it to the box. And what it's done now is created a text box with the word heading in it. Yes, I know. And what you've got with the style is the types of headings. You've got heading 1 through heading 6, which you actually set up in your global styling when you started building your website. If you haven't done that yet, take a look at the global styling. You can actually predefine your font and the font size, as well as some of the spacing on the different levels of text and font within your website. So in the heading, obviously we can actually change this text to whatever we want as a heading. Let's just call it Great Sales Page. If you don't like the font that it is, even if you've got one preset, you can actually choose a different one. You can bold it, you can underline it, cross it out, italicize, superscript, subscript. Line height is the spacing between lines when you actually have more than one, so you can see there's a gap at the top and the bottom. You've actually got the font color, so we can pick this and make it a let's say a bright orange color. That would change the color of the font there. You can also highlight the font with a background color. Say we can go for a yellow and highlight the font with a yellow. Looks terrible with that color, doesn't it? Let's go back to a blue with a yellowish background. And then obviously you've got the alignment. So you've got left align, center align, right align, justify, and then you can also add indents and outdents on the text. Let's center it. And what we've done here is created a heading with the heading widget. When you select text, you can also actually create a link to another page, either in the system or an external page. If we click on that, this is where the whole select a link dialog box comes up. I'm going to talk about this on a separate video because there are lots of different places that we can actually add a link, including the text, the buttons, and everything else. So we'll make sure there's a video for you to be able to watch to show how we select different links within the system. You've then got remove the font style. So what you would do is literally take it back to the start on the scratch with the font styling. And the final thing built into your platform is AI. We've got a platform where AI is built into every text box, every email. The system is there for you to use. So if we click on AI, we get the opportunity to improve our content with the AI. We can literally just click on improve with the current settings. We can make it longer, shorten, or generate new text. That's more relevant for paragraphs and blogs. And we click on the settings here, we can actually have a professional, friendly, relaxed, playful, excited, or assertive. So what I'm going to do, just to show you how this works, I have no idea what this is going to end up like, and it will stay in the video no matter what it says. I'm going to click assertive, and then I'm going to click improve. And there you go, unbeatable sales page, guaranteed results. That's the heading that the AI came up with. So that's how you actually use the heading widget within the system. Now just remember, with this format, because it's a header widget, it only has the header styles built into the actual widget. Hope that helps when you're using your header widget. I would suggest that you don't keep the same colors as me because that looks pretty bad, but then I am colorblind, so it's probably okay to some people. That's it for the header widget. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.